Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be one of the most interesting videos I have ever done. It is a vlog, by the way. This is going to be one of the most interesting vlogs I have ever done. I am going for a solo trip to Malindi, Kenya. It is a birthday staycation or vacation, I don't know. So it was part of my birthday wish list, and one of my circles decided to make my wish come true. So I will be traveling tonight. Currently I think it's, let me see, it's 4:04 p.m. Kenyan time, and I just finished getting ready. I had a class, so I needed to finish the class first and then prepare for my trip. Yeah. So the next thing I am supposed to do is book my how is it called? My flight. No, I'm supposed to book my bus because I want to travel at night so that I get there in the morning and then do activities. Okay, you get the point? Yeah. So in this vlog I'll be combining the 3 days. It's 4 days 3 nights. Yeah, I'll do short things. Do I combine? I'm thinking of combining the whole trip, but again I'm thinking of doing like small vlogs. I don't know. Anyway, I will let you know. So first things first, let's book the bus. Okay, so this is also my birthday gift. I was manifesting a tablet, but also my laptop had a problem, so I got a twin one. It's a laptop, but I can also use it as a tablet. Okay, I'm manifesting the stylus pen for HP, but in the meantime this serves me well. I can also use it to study for my schoolwork. Yeah, so let me book my what? How is it called? Let me book my bus, and then I show you my itinerary. So I have seen so many positive reviews on Dreamline Coach that it offers the most luxurious travel. Okay, and I want something comfortable. Since I'll be traveling at night, I will book the VIP one. So this is their site. I'll just go directly and book from Nairobi to Malindi. Yes, I hope I've been checking their sites to confirm if they still have seats. I hope I'm not too late. Days on 24th, I believe. Yeah. Yes, I think I can still book. Let me see. Oh, I think the prices have actually dropped. When I was checking the VIP, it was 2,700, but now I am seeing it is 2,200. I think because it is last minute. Ooh. This is it. I don't know if you can see. I want to sit somewhere comfortable, so I'll take this one. Or this is a different. I'm not sure if this is a different bus, but I hope it's the one that I wanted. This one is for 8 p.m. and it's currently 4, so I need to book and then I go eat because I haven't eaten the whole day. I go have my first meal and then I go to town. Yeah. Okay. Which one yet? I hope it is the one I wanted. because initially these seats were not available, but now I can see them. I think I'll take the one for one person. I'm feeling a bit. Oh. Which side will I see? Okay, it's fine. Boarding point, Nairobi. Dropping point, Malindi. B6 confirming the seat. Fare 2200, continue. Ooh. Oopsie. There are no seats available, so I'll need to go there and shit. Why is it shit? Oh yeah. Anyway, let me finish up, and then if I don't get it, I will have to go to town directly and book from the office. Yeah. So since I can't find any seat, I'll just go ahead and show you my itinerary for the 4 days and 3 nights. Here it is. I don't know if you can see, but today is on Monday. So on Monday night is traveling by bus, and then on Friday is returning. I'll come back with the SGR, but that will mean I connect from Malindi to Mombasa and then to the SGR. I hope I make it on time. I'll need to book early because right now I have already missed. So on Tuesday morning, that's when I'll be arriving, and then I unpack and shower and then breakfast and rest a little. I have a class in the morning, but I'm hoping it bounces. Okay? So I'll go to the marine park tomorrow. I'll swim with the dolphin, and then I'll take a boat ride, and then a walk and the snorkeling, and then I'll go to Vasco da Gama Pillar and the sunset at the beach. Okay, I hope I manage everything. On Wednesday I will go to Watamu. I want to go to the Leche house, and then I'll spend most of my time there, and then I go to Mida Creek to that's where we have the canoes and the mangroves. Yeah. As for Wednesday, and then there's the Mawezuri. That's where I'll have my dinner at Mawezuri. Okay. There's the ocean view and the clear glass thing that I want to go and experience. And then on Thursday, I will go to the Hell's Kitchen at Marafa, and then Falconry, Gedi Ruins, Malindi Sand Dunes, and then dinner at Kimberley Bahari. Yes, that's all. Then Friday, back. That's it. Yeah. So this is everything that I will be carrying. I have a few clothes, and I've carried 2 bags, this one and this one, and then I'll be carrying this. This is my notebook for journaling, and then personal effects, sunscreen, blah blah blah, jewelry, umbrella, just in case, and then these personal things, jewelry, hairbands, blah blah blah, and then this face towel, and then sandals. These 2 pairs of sandals is what I'll be going with, plus the shoes that I'll be wearing today. Still not decided. So here I have my costumes. Carried 3 of them, I think 4, and then dresses. Yeah, that's it. I'll also be carrying this tripod. I'll also be carrying my laptop. This one, it acts as my tablet as well. And this, I think I should carry this router because it's very convenient. Even though I know the Airbnb I'll be staying, there is internet, but power bank of course, and then my phone, and the chargers and my specs. This was my birthday bouquet. I don't have a vase. Imagine it's like 4 days old and it's still like this. I wish I had what is it called? A flower vase. Yeah. I had gone to eat. Now I'm back. I want to go and take my bags, and then I go because I called Dreamline and they said there's a VIP seat, so I can just go and book from there. Yeah, see you. So I took a boda to town, to Dreamline, because of convenience, because Dreamline is actually in town, downtown. So I doubted if the normal cabs would get there, so I took the boda instead, and then I got to the office. I booked my seat. It was V4, and then it was time to board the bus. I first needed to pass through the checkpoint, and then I went in and I could not believe what I saw. Imagine, this is a bus. I've actually never seen a bus that gives this cozy and luxurious vibes. It was comfortable, but not as comfortable as it looks actually, because I took a different bus coming back, which was not this luxurious, but it was more comfortable than what I got in Dreamline. I don't know, maybe because my seat was like the last seat for VIP. We took off at exactly 8 p.m. and at around 9 p.m. is when I was recording this video. I needed to record some videos for my TikTok and also for my Instagram. And then within no time, we were at Mtito one day. This is where we alighted to have dinner and also to go to the washrooms and stuff like that. I'm actually surprised that I did not sleep. From Nairobi to Mtito, I did not sleep. I was not sleepy. I actually changed my seats. I went to sit with the co-driver at the front because the bus was not full. We were like 9 people in the bus. So I took advantage. I went to sit at the front. Here, I was deciding what to eat. I went for the fries and chicken and soda. It costed me, I think, 350. Yeah. So I went to pick it from the kitchen. You have to pay first. You pay and then you come here and pick your food. Either you eat from the hotel or you go and eat inside the bus. So I took my food and then I put some sauce, and this was me eating inside the bus on our way to Malindi. And it was midnight. It was actually 12 a.m. At around 4, we got to Kilifi, and the driver took a short break. Since it was Ramadan, he went to have breakfast before he started his fast for the day. At exactly 5:30, we were in Malindi. So make sure you turn on the notification bell and stay posted for when I post my next content.